just wanna ride with the wind blowing in my hair. Riding in a drop top, riding with a top drop. With the wind blowing in my hair. Riding in a top drop, riding with a top.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to jump straight in to this video. So this is similar to the last video that I uploaded in terms of revamping or refreshing an older or out of date wig. This wig is kind of old. I did a video on this already on my channel, and I'll leave it up in the top corner for you guys to check it out. So the hair is perfectly fine. It's kind of sheddy and the knots didn't bleach that well. But the main reason that I'm changing up this wig is just because, like I said, it's old and I want to give it a new look and feel, so that way I can actually want to wear it. Like literally there's nothing wrong with like how the wig looks per se, but I'm trying to get off some of this some of these ends to give it just a slightly more natural look, to mimic my natural hair a little bit more. That's the look that I'm going for here. So I'm just giving it a little bit of trim to start me off with the right length before I take off the wig and actually clean it up. And I wanted to say that I want this wig to look a little bit more like my natural hair, just because it'll save me from actually wanting to silk press my natural hair. I can just, whenever I feel like that, throw on this wig and get that out of my system so that I can just keep my natural hair protected. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to be cleaning up the cut. I'm just going in and creating very soft layers in the hair by gathering the hair, pulling it outward at a horizontal angle. I don't even know if that's an angle, but horizontally, and then just cutting like how you see me doing here. It's kind of hard to explain, and I'm not a professional, by the way. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional. But I've seen professionals on YouTube do this. Plus, this is how I cut my natural hair to give it a little bit of dimension, because I don't like the one length type of look. I mean, it does work sometimes, but this is not what I was going for here. So just adding those layers in, and I'll do that the same steps that you see me doing right here to the rest of the wig, and then come back. So here you'll see me going in with an eyebrow razor to add a little bit more layers to the hair. I'll do this throughout the wig as well, and then we'll be able to get started with the styling portion.
I just wanna ride with the wind blowing in my hair. I just wanna ride with the wind blowing in my hair. Riding in a drop top, riding with a top drop. With the wind blowing in my hair. Riding in a top drop, riding with a top drop. With the wind blowing in my hair. Watching city lights glow, watching all the cars go. With the wind blowing in my hair. Thinking about you lately, trying to drive you crazy. With the wind blowing in my hair. You left me yesterday and I'm still feeling all the pain. So then I smoke it all away, and then I hop in my Mercedes. It takes some time to get over someone like you.
So this is what the wig is looking like after I've done my layering and trimming off of excess hairs that was sticking out. It looks very natural, I would say, and much less bulky at the ends. So like I said, this wig is a little bit old, so I think I did a trim of the lace just a little bit because there was some excess. I didn't show that here, but I'm going in again to just redefine the hairline, and I'm going to be sectioning off these like small hairs in the front just to not get those, and do a little bit more plucking to give it a more natural look.
Yesterday I was sad, but today I'm good. 'Cause riding high gets me over you. I just wanna ride with the wind blowing in my hair. I just wanna ride with the wind blowing in my hair. Riding in a drop top, riding with the top dropped, with the wind blowing in my hair. Riding in a top drop, riding with the top dropped, with the wind blowing in my hair. Watching city lights glow, watching all the cars go, with the wind blowing in my hair. Thinking about you lately, trying to drive you crazy, with the wind blowing in my hair. With the wind blowing in my hair. With the wind blowing in my hair. With the wind blowing in my
So this is what the wig is looking like after I've done the additional plucking and separating of the baby hairs that I want to add. So this hair is just giving straight up natural, and honestly, you know, you don't have to, oh my gosh, look at that. You don't have to cut a wig to make it look refreshed or anything, but I personally love this effect that I've gotten. The wig looks 10 times better in my opinion, because I mean, yes, the wig was a little bit longer, but I didn't really like the length that it was at, and I couldn't really do much with it, honestly. But I love this new cut. So now we're getting into the styling portion, just adding a little bit of concealer to the part, and then I'm gonna tie off this perimeter, just so that when I use this hairspray, that it doesn't get on the front hairline, which is, I'm going to be going in and correcting the part. I did say it was I think I said it was over bleached a little bit, the knots, but as you can see, some of it got to the hair. So if I want to define the part, you'll do like I'm doing here, taking this color hairspray by High Beams in the shade brown. You want to use the shade that's closest to the hair color, and then just, you know, hold it from afar and spray it like so. That will help you to define the part without having to re-dye your roots. So moving on to the baby hairs, as you can see, I cut them with the eyebrow razor. I like to keep mine closer to like the outer temples than further in towards the part. I think it looks a little bit more natural this way. I'm curling them upward with a flat iron just so that I can swoop them easier with the hair mousse. That's the method I like to use. It keeps the baby hairs looking a little bit more fluffy and natural as opposed to using an actual hair gel. So I will just be swooping these and then come back and show you guys the finished result. So this is the finished look, guys. It looks amazing. I'm super happy with how it turned out and I'm ready to wear it again. I'll show you guys in a second what my hair looks like compared to the wig. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something. If you did, leave a like and a comment down below. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Bye.
Riding in a drop top, riding with the top drop, with the